Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad Ali and this video is about HTML colors. Okay, so in this video we're gonna learn about how can we give or declare the colors in HTML. HTML colors are specified with the predefined color names. Okay, you can specify with the color names, but if you don't want to specify with it, you want to go more customized. Okay, you can give the RGB value, hex code value, and HSL, RGBA, and HSLA. Okay, A stand for the alpha level, I guess, and it is for the transparency of the color. Without just wasting the time, let's just go to the editor and see how can we give the different colors to the different elements of the HTML. We have a paragraph here and I want to give a background color to that paragraph. So for giving the background color, we have learned that we have to use the style property of the paragraph, and now background color orange semicolon. Save this and run this. This is a standard way or usual way of giving the color, but you can also give the color which the RGB values and the other value that I have already described. Now I have to try each one of those values. 1 2 3 4 RGB. I don't know what color I would get in this scenario. RGB, and this is the hexa color. Okay, and we have HSL. You have to get the percentage here and also the percentage here. So this is the HSL value. Now I want to use the RGBA. A goes for the transparency of the color. Okay, I just want to use the same values here, 0.5, and the last one would be HSL A. Copy this thing and paste it here. I think that looks fine here, 0.5. Now let me just save this code and run it again. Alright, now you can see the different colors, okay, with the different values. And this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.